sands meet the skies. A spectacle unlike any other comes to life. Here, above the endless desert of Thumama, the dream of flight takes form. It's not just about speed or precision. It's about pushing the limits, defying gravity, embracing freedom. And when the sun sets, the skies light up with magic. The night show begins with dazzling pyrotechnics lighting up the darkness in a breathtaking display. Welcome to the sky's greatest stage. This is Sand and Fun General Aviation Airshow.